Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang kuya gini di mana bagi advertisement.
Balay sila penjinjar ya tadi. Pinjit kerpang ni kini. Leit link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com. Pinjok buat kijing pedla. Bat ki berta ki shula. Link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com.
Perdana Menteri Kushal Kendra harangkat kejitel langbat ka Asenses Educated Limited mentah kasngi kilasam ya kisernot sekisan penringut kisamla ki baladep ya ka jingshah hikai ha ka skill development ha ki babun ki liang na benta bakin la ban yang hala ki jong ki jat badru ban yo ya ka kamai ka ji kani ka kunhun bayo pdiang ya kisernot mentah kasngi ki de ki kunhun jong snam aja kat khandai ajar pau bat ya baro ki barayo ya kisernot kinsha pha se ki jaka ban trei ha po ka jalla bat kumjuru bat sabar jong ka jallaru Menyo ya kejingshai bakam niya usulong mil kurwo ka tiar ban yekren bat kong banti ding do ka badai ka regional manager jong ka Perdana Menteri Kushal Kendra kani ka dei ka sien ka baning kong ba astronaut sa kini ki khana ki bala pyndep ya ka jingpuli bat bantip alor ka jingsngan jing ki khana ba pha tre sabar klai thu ba ki jubut de ni ki khana bat janman lau banai ki jupa ni ki slip tulap ban penti kana la ki yon am ya ka tulap jong ki hendai bon pat ki kyntait ban leit tre sabar jylla da ka ba ai da ba omsha ki mi ki pa
Mentah kasngi kini shipo badge kini ki kena ki belalong certified with the badges. The ki trade ki bangi ai kini hapo ki self-employed tailoring, ki make-up artist, ki field technician sa computer feral, then the front office associate. The kini ki kena ki ladap na mentah kini ki certifications kumto. The ngi pa ki placement ngi ai placement ni ki. Te Shillong mentang ngi lapha ki kena ko mak Shillong golf retreat apa Shillong clubs nang tang ne po hikai hotel te kidar ki kena ki balej po jiva resort ru te babun hi ki kena ngi pha be shabar jugo ti po utu ki ladon mentang te san pulai ngot na kini ki badges ki bakila certified ngi lapha ki placement na ngi don tracking mo shi snem ki kena ladang ngi lapha ki kena am shabar ngi follow up ki namar man ka banai kum tu ngi pa ni ki salary slip chomki bakin confirm ken ki yon em ko tulap chomki te lai banai kata ki de hab submit be ya ka institute ngi ha follow up namar bangi ngi hab submit ya ki salary slip ani ki bank statement chomki even ya ko offer letter ngi collect then we submit to the department hachaka annual m Tirang tu pat ngi follow up di ki kena lesit ki kena don ki kena ki ba tang lai banai la ni don ki kena ru tang si banai tu ki leit tre sabar ki wan pai no ki ong bangim la sha ki don ki bun ki problem ba ki face teng ki ongim jur ki wan pai no om tu ki tu ngi ai replacement biang te kat kumta ke ngi kili ngi le counseling ki na ke ekadaw ma ki wan pai te no tu tang ma babun ki kena ngi le kom ki ngi face ka problem ka placement na marba ki kena em jungi kim tre te bane chaba kata kan ke problem te menta ngi persang ya kane menta ngi la mut persang ba ladang ngi yo kum ki course ki ba kin le self employment kum ka self employed tailoring katu ki le self employment te ya ki kena ki ba ngi la adap kum tu mo ya ki self employed tailoring kum tu te ngi ai ki tang ka ni ka loan na po mudra loan katu na bank ngi yo katu ngi ai tang katu ngim dan eta na mangim dan fund na government ru ilong ngim padon te kita ki fund ma tengi ki kena da ki don ki deb ki certification ru ki yo ka stipend from annual m kata lai hajar ki ba khamsa sha jangai tu khat san spa bre ki ba urban area men adu menta mutang arpusan ngot ki ba long confirm ki tre ban ne chaba tama kita ru ngam tep ma ting ki change te ki ong ba on na yin kim sha ka we ga kata ki kena pat ki shong interview da kila ong mo ban hablet cita jakam kila long no ngi mlet ran namar ki hab jangai ne yeng kita ngi face ba ka problem ka placement kan shwaban join ki training ni shek le counseling ki ba pin one join ki training after the training mat fin hablet ke placement nama bangi ngin hab ai ka kam chong pikat kum ka jingi ate na ni ka guideline ma ki ong napok Pradhan Menteri ni napok ke DNULM ne kata nge mi habia niladon lupa te kita gi guideline bagi kena mon after completions of the training but certification me ki hable ya placement hari ki kena ai ki long ki change baik te ya ka main juga kim long stable ke nyondan te as per for now ngila train 810 more ki candidate tama menta only 10 batches was have completed kemot ki kena mod nang ne kamot ki number in a one batch 30 candidate there the kidon ki kena ki ba drop out ro ti tang 257 menta ki ba dang yo ya ka certificate ti 257 nang tu mod 56 ki ngi la pha ki ban late placement re na ki ni ki 56 ro kidon ki kena ki balawan phai ti as hado menta ka sngi te ngi dang yo ba tang 56 kan kita ki candidate ki ba ong ba late ya ka placement
Nakaliang jong ba Gideon Karmoplang badai YS officer badai ru director kan National Urban Livelihood Mission habakran kum kongsan ulo ong ba lengba kani ke jingshah hikai kan nong ke jingkrku ke bakrau nak benta ki samla jong kari bot kum juru jong ke jylla bot laban juru ya kini ki samla ki bala pyndep ya ke jingshah ai jing hikai bakin persyang ban leit sabar jong ke jylla kenang bakin yo ya kalau wai ba pernah ke jingim ke jongki
Alam Imle. Sushil Kumar Kyntait
Your valuable
to enable the youth of our country and our state to be benefited through the different skills. And I take this opportunity to congratulate SNCF Educare Limited, who has been the skill partner in this regard. So as you all know, the 4 trades that have been that this institute is imparting is self-employed training, field technicians, front office, makeup artist and organic grower. So out of this batch of 2019-20, of number of 253 youths, I think 56 have been placed, and today I congratulate each and every one of you, the 50 of you who are here today, and even those who couldn't be here today with us, who has achieved, who have undergone this training and who has achieved, who has benefited from this training program. So I encourage each and every one of you to please expand your horizons. This is not the only, this is not the only training or the mission that you should undergo, but try to, extend your skills to different areas and try to go for placements, even if you have to go outside the state. Because within our state, the resources are limited for especially job opportunities. So kindly take this opportunity with whatever skills that you have got to try to venture outside the state, and maybe that will bring a better future to each and every one of you. So with these kind words,